I got a whole dash cam of you doing stupid stuff, driving on the road, endangering everybody.
On July 19, 2025, concerned community members flooded the Pueblo Police Department with urgent calls. A group of motorcyclists was tearing through the city's south side, driving recklessly and putting everyone at risk. The department's Directed Investigation and Community Engagement Unit, known as DICE, immediately tracked the riders down. Bodycam and dashcam footage would later reveal the shocking behavior, popping wheelies, standing on their bikes, and weaving dangerously between cars across multiple lanes. Their stunts brought traffic on Northern Avenue to a complete standstill. Officers quickly coordinated a plan to intervene. At a red light, they made their move, pulling one rider from his motorcycle as the other two sped away.
Oh, it's got a plate under there.
That's reckless driving, right?
Yeah. Definitely without due regard. I was thinking this one, it might be easier to grab him off this pipe. We going for this one?
Yep.
Okay.
It's now or never.
Yeah. Let's do it. Ready? Ready?
Yep. You know obviously why you got in handcuffs, my man. I got a whole dash cam of you doing stupid stuff, driving on the road, endangering everybody. You're probably gonna have to go around because we're gonna.
I just called that in. Too.
We're gonna get one. So, you see how happy everybody was?
You got me. Good work. I'm sorry.
Everybody's happy.
Like that from all the way down.
Who's that? His buddies?
Yeah, way down. They were way down past Prairie, back up way down. The whole time.
Well, we got one of them.
Yeah.
I gotta see if we're gonna tow your bike and put a hold on it for a nuisance.
Oh no, please don't.
The last time we dealt with these, they put a hold on them, which means that it gets put in storage. You pay the tow fees and all of that.
Every day?
Yeah, for 6 months.
No, dude, don't do this. Look, it's a mini bike. I hardly ever ride that thing.
It's almost like you should have been doing wheelies down.
Exactly.
Doing wheelies, standing up on the seat. I mean, I got a whole dash cam down Northern
I know, I agree.
of you, the blue dirt bike, the other guy.
I shouldn't have done that, sir. I'm sorry.
We're not trying to make your life harder, man, but it is a big nuisance and a danger to
I agree.
you, other people on the street, man. Several people get killed on motorcycles every year.